This is a shelving system, and I'm so excited because I am so short on shelves that it is ridiculous. So I am so excited we got these. I took a sneak peek in the box. They are very well made, powder coated, black. I cannot wait to put this together. Let's get it out of the box and see what it looks like.
Well, now that we are getting it out of the box, one thing I notice is that you have two different options, type A, type B. I'm looking for a caddy corner shelving, so this is going to work out absolutely perfect. Everything is labeled, very, very easy to put together. You don't even need any tools. It's all snapped together. The adjustments for the feet are very, very well made and easy to grab, unlike most that are really, really small and it's really hard to adjust. This one has it all. It has everything you need for a shelving system. Now I'm putting this in my studio because we get boxes every day for products to review, and sometimes they're all over the place. So now we can get organized, and I've been wanting to utilize this space for the longest time. But now with this shelving system, I have everything I need, and what I love about it is the way it locks into each other. So you don't have any sag or lag in the system itself. Very strong, it's very sturdy, and it's tons of room. And this is 72 inches high. So I got plenty of room, plenty of adjustment, and as you can see, those clamps, they just grab onto the other shelves and they hold on. And then the clips that go on the pole, super easy. This is a product that I can highly recommend because I'm using it myself and it works.